Have you ever wondered what silence truly does to someone's mind? It's more than just a lack of words. It's a powerful tool that shifts emotions, changes dynamics, and makes people see you in a completely new light. Let's uncover the hidden power of silence and how it can transform your relationships and your life. The psychological power of silence. When you go silent after no contact, you're not just taking a break from communication, you're creating an emotional and psychological shift. Silence has a way of making people notice your absence more than your presence. For her, it doesn't just feel like you've stopped talking, it feels like she's lost control of the narrative. This alone sparks a chain reaction in her mind, one that can change how she sees you. In this video, we'll dive into why silence is such a powerful strategy, how it affects her mind, and why it works better than chasing. Stick around. This could change everything. Why silence affects her deeply. Silence doesn't just remove words, it removes certainty. Certainty is comforting because it gives people a sense of control. When you're always available, she knows where she stands with you. But the moment you step back, you disrupt that balance. Suddenly, her world feels unpredictable, and she starts questioning everything. This psychological shift forces her to analyze your absence. She replays your last conversation, wonders about your last text, and overthinks every little thing you said. These thoughts don't come and go, they grow louder as time passes. Why? Because silence leaves room for interpretation, and the human brain naturally fills in the blanks with assumptions. Here's the kicker. These assumptions are rarely neutral. She starts to wonder, did I push him away? Is he losing interest? Is he with someone else? These emotionally charged questions keep her thoughts glued to you, even if she doesn't want them to be. What happens in her mind during no contact? At first, she might act indifferent. She might think, he's just busy, or he'll text me soon. But as hours turn into days, her confidence begins to waver. 1. Curiosity. Her first reaction is curiosity. She wonders why you haven't reached out. Curiosity is a powerful force because it stems from her need for answers. When she doesn't know where she stands with you, it creates a sense of urgency to figure it out. Second doubt. Curiosity slowly gives way to doubt. She questions her actions. Did I say something wrong? Did I push him away? These doubts don't just stay on the surface, they dig deep into her emotions. Third, insecurity. Doubt leads to insecurity. She starts comparing herself to others, wondering if you've moved on or found someone better. This insecurity creates an emotional connection to you, even when you're not around. Quatrième, regret. The final stage is regret. If she feels she contributed to the silence, maybe by being distant or unresponsive, she starts wishing she had done things differently. Regret is a powerful emotion, one that can motivate her to take action, whether that's reaching out or trying to reconnect in subtle ways. Why silence works better than chasing. Chasing someone after no contact might feel like the right thing to do, but it often backfires. When you chase, you reinforce the idea that she's in control of the situation. It signals that you're willing to sacrifice your self-respect just to win her back. Silence sends a different message. It shows that you value yourself enough to step back and focus on your own growth. This isn't about playing games. It's about showing that your time and energy are valuable. When you stop chasing, she starts to notice the gap you've left behind. Humans are naturally drawn to things that feel scarce. By being less available, you create a sense of mystery. She starts wondering, what's he doing? Who is he with? Why has he changed? This curiosity not only keeps her thinking about you, but also makes her miss you. How silence changes. her perception of you. Before, she might have seen you as predictable, someone who was always there, no matter what. But now your silence forces her to reevaluate. She begins to remember the good times, the moments you made her laugh, supported her, or showed her kindness. In your absence, these positive memories become amplified. The little annoyances she might have focused on before now fade into the background. Instead, she starts to see you as someone with value and boundaries, someone who isn't afraid to walk away. The next steps after silence. When she finally reaches out, how you respond matters. Stay calm and composed. A simple, neutral response like, "Hey, good to hear from you," is enough to reopen the door without giving away too much. Let her take the lead in the conversation and pay attention to her tone. Is she apologetic, curious, testing the waters? Most importantly, don't bring up the silence unless she does. If she mentions it, respond confidently. "I've been focusing on myself lately." This shows growth and independence, qualities that make you stand out. Avoid these common mistakes. To make silence work, avoid these pitfalls. 1. Breaking silence too soon. Resist the urge to reach out first. Let her feel the full impact of your absence. 2. Overanalyzing her social media. Don't waste your time stalking her posts. It only distracts you from your growth. 3. Playing games. Silence works because it's genuine. If you use it to manipulate her emotions, she'll see through it. Silence is a psychological tool that taps into human emotions like curiosity, doubt, and regret. It creates a lasting impact because it forces her to reflect on your absence and her actions. By stepping back, you not only regain control of the dynamic, but also give yourself the chance to grow. So remember, silence isn't weakness, it's power. Use it wisely, and you might just change everything. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay strong, stay confident, and always keep growing with the Stoic Route.